You feel it, don't you? That gnawing frustration every time you watch talent slip by, while the same old faces sit on thrones they didn't earn. You see brilliant founders crushed by bureaucracy, investors trapped in outdated pipelines, leaders suffocating under endless politics. It's maddening. Why does the world so often ignore merit? Why does effort, skill, and vision stay buried beneath layers of favoritism and legacy? This isn't just unfair, it's a cancer eating the future alive. Meritocracy isn't some empty ideal. It's the lifeline for anyone who refuses to accept that power should be handed out like candy to the complacent. Yet most societies today have forgotten this basic truth. They've replaced merit with comfort, with conformity, with mediocrity dressed as equality. Here's the brutal truth nobody wants to say. Even in the most advanced systems, meritocracy is a myth because the rules are rigged. They're built to reward identity, politics, and stability, not raw ability. Every day, potential is throttled, not by lack of talent, but by lack of connection to the right networks, by outdated hierarchies clinging to their power. And if you think playing by the official rules will get you anywhere, you're already losing. The system doesn't serve you. It substitutes you, reduces you to a checkbox, a resume line, a profile picture. Meanwhile, the real players, the founders who innovate, the investors who see the future, the professionals who build change, are isolated, forced to fight for scraps in a game that's stacked against them. But it doesn't have to be like this. The fault is not with meritocracy itself. It's with the societies that refuse to build infrastructure for true merit to thrive. The first step is cold and clear. Stop trusting the old systems to fix themselves. You cannot wait for fairness to trickle down, or for tradition to loosen its grip. You have to rip yourself out of comfort and mediocrity, break the chains of inherited roles and false promises, and seek out the few who are ready to push beyond. Meritocracy lives in fiery, unyielding networks of those who refuse to settle, not in crowds, but in fierce, deliberate connections. You're not here to follow the herd. You're here to forge a path that others can't even imagine. Here's what you do. No excuses, no delays. Cut through the noise and obsessively seek out those rare individuals who challenge everything, who risk ruin for the sake of breakthrough. Build alliances not based on convenience or politics, but on relentless value exchange, where every link proves itself daily. Drop everything that does not directly contribute to real growth. Meaningless meetings, hollow titles, loyalty to outdated systems. Demand continuous proof of merit, not inherited status. Trust must be won like blood on the battlefield, over and over again. Power and capital must flow only to those who deliver results, who bear the scars of struggle and come out stronger. This isn't just business advice, it's survival. Your future is locked in networks built on disruption, not tradition. And here's something almost nobody will tell you. Meritocracy is not about equality. It's about brutal, unapologetic fairness, where the weak fall away and the strong ignite the future. It demands sacrifice. It demands you destroy comfortable illusions about what you deserve and prove what you're capable of every single day. That tension inside you, the hunger, the unrest, that's not your enemy. That's your damn fuel. Use it. Don't dull that fire with empty promises or safe bets. Find your tribe of relentless doers, investors who see past borders and identities, builders who know the system is a lie, and together create a new reality where merit drives power, trust, and capital like an unstoppable force. Stop hoping the world will hand you meritocracy on a silver platter. It never will. You have to claim it. Tear down the walls false comfort built around your ambition. Rise above outdated nation-states, tribal loyalties, and politics of identity. Become a citizen of merit, connected by purpose and results, not birthright or convenience. This is the only way forward, the only path to freedom where true greatness can finally breathe. Your mission, whether you see it yet or not, is to be part of that reconstruction, to be relentless, to be edge, to be the reason others find their way beyond the lies. Meritocracy isn't missing because merit stopped mattering. It's missing because people forgot how to fiercely fight for it and build it, the right way, every single day. So stop waiting. Get obsessed. Find your people. Rebuild the game, because no one else will.